Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Safari to accept a Chrome extension converted into a Safari web extension. This is why you enable developer tools. Once done, download the Chrome extension file or extract its source files, manifest, JSON, and assets so you can process them. Make sure Safari's preferences right arrow advanced has show develop menu checked, because you'll need it to load the converted extension while testing. This early setup saves time. It prevents compatibility surprises and lets you focus on conversion rather than chasing missing files or permissions. Next, open Xcode and create a Safari web extension project because Xcode handles the conversion and signing workflow. Import the Chrome source, manifest, scripts, icons, then resolve differences. Change Chrome-only manifest keys, swap Chrome. Asterisk APIs for standard web extension or browser. Asterisk calls and modify background and permission declarations as needed. Once you adjust code and resources, build the project in Xcode to produce the Safari extension bundle. This step is detailed because mismatched APIs are the most common failure point, so fix them. Finally, install and test the converted extension in Safari. Use Safari's Web Extension Builder or open the Built app and enable it in Safari Extensions. Test all features and grant permissions when prompted, because missing permissions are a frequent runtime blocker. If something fails, inspect the Web Inspector console for errors, then fix API calls, update permissions in the manifest, and rebuild in Xcode. A key troubleshooting tip: when behavior differs, compare Chrome and Safari console logs. That contrast points directly to incompatible APIs or missing host permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.